Hey guys, Winger here, and we're doing like quick unboxing of the OtterBox Symmetry case for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So this is the case that I got with my recently unboxed S25 here, and I actually just set it up right now, and I want to try out this case. OtterBox. It's the very first OtterBox case that I've had. I've always known them since like years ago, where they have this bulky, really rugged cases. I think that's what they're known for. This was about $79 Australian. It's really steep for a case. I'm just gonna say, but I just went with it. So this is like their clear case with the MagSafe stuff, and it says 3 times med drops, that's military standard, and premium responsive buttons. It's just out here hanging. Get some anchors. I don't know what that is. It's like, I don't know, raised edges to protect camera and screen. Okay, and then apparently it's recycled. So it's quite a bit special because when I was still back in uni, or maybe way back high school, I never imagined myself owning one of these because they were so expensive. They are so expensive. But yeah, I decided to get one for my S25 Ultra. Got signed for Samsung. I don't know what is up with this. That's basically just saying that it's signed for Samsung. Got warranty stuff and carry-on phone straps, boost your lifestyle. What is that supposed to be? Anchors. Okay, so like you could put straps here, and it's a really light case, I would say. Borderline cheap. First of all, I'm not a big fan of this cutout. Too lazy. Prefer the much customized, like per camera cutout, per lens. It slips like that. Okay, I like it. It's pretty sleek and straightforward. Say they got bumps here for the camera, and it does lay flat, and get some raised bumps here. Does lay flat, trust me, even though you can't see it. And oh yeah, the buttons are actually really nice. Cutouts here for mic, OtterBox logo, the anchor stuff that they say. No cutout for a SIM. Got cutout for the USB-C connection speakers. Cutout for that. And I'd say it's pretty comfortable. It's nice. Grip, the usual grip that you would expect from a clear case. What I'm curious about is if this works well. It's not charging, but I think it's because I actually There's actually no battery, but I'm just worried that because sometimes when you get this MagSafe power banks and it's the charging thing in there, it's not, it's charging quite bad, but I would say the magnet is pretty good, but it is covering what I think that's a telephoto lens right there. Anyway, I wish maybe they could have put this down here, because if I want to put a ring thing, it's gonna be like that. Maybe lower would be a bit better, but yeah, that's what we got. Anyway, that's the OtterBox Symmetry, $79 Australian. I feel scammed. It's really expensive, but hey, hopefully I can get to use this case for quite a while, and we'll test this out by like throwing away. Not really, I'm not doing that. But yeah, please like, subscribe, comment down below what case you're using for any brand of case. I would like to see that. And yeah, I'm probably going to be making more videos about this phone the more I use it. But for now, got the unboxing and this one. See you guys in the next one.